Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Hemanto the Social Engineer. Today OPSC again re-advertise the advertisements for the PGTs for 17 numbers of stand-alone government higher secondary school under Department of School and Education Department. Earlier it advertised, but some reasons it was again withdrawn, and now the OPSC again re-advertise as per advertising numbers 24 of 2021-22, and the methods of selection also same, and the total posting also same, everything is same. And here is the total post, that is 335, and on reserve that is 107, SC 38, ST 49, and SCBC 25. And out of all the posts that reserved, 4% for PWD, that is 13 post, ex-serviceman, that is 3% of post, and special provision, that is 1% of post, that is reserved. And the out of total 331 number of posts mentioned, 30 posts are reserved for persons with disability, that I mentioned. Those who permanent disability of is 40% and more. And next one, that is that is important is here is the important thing. In case of non-availability of eligible suitable women's candidates, the unfilled vacancies shall be filled up by the eligible and suitable male candidate of same category, and the exchange of reservation between SC, ST will not be considered. The number of vacancy to be filled up on the basis of requirement is subject to change by government without notice, depending upon the agencies of public service at the direct discretions of the state government. So three important notice that given. One is, in case of non-availability of eligible post, on-field candidates shall be filled up by the eligible and suitable male candidates of only same category. And second one, the exchange of reservation cannot be possible between SC and ST. And third one, the number of vacancy be on the basis of this requirement is subject to change, which means that the government can change the total number of posts, that is 335, to more, and also less the post as per the agencies that is mentioned in the note. And age relaxations also not given, and the age is 21 to 32 only in the feeder cadre, that is government high school. 5 year of relaxation given, and that and also relaxation given, and that all other posts, that is 5 years for linked to ST, SC, and socio-educationally backward classes, ex-servicemen, women, by 10 years for person with disability, and 40% that is given for reservation of 5 years or relations of 5 years of age. And here is the important thing that mention, SAP as approved above, the age limit prescribed can in no case be relaxed. This was the important information that given. And additional qualification is candidate must have B.Ed and PGT, and the first one, that is given, candidate must have a master degree and a postgraduate degree. Second one, must have passed B.Ed and a PhD degree, and third one, degree or diploma in computer application is desirable qualification for the post. And here important thing given that B.Ed qualification for subject other than botany, chemistry, English, economics, geography, history, Hindi, mathematics, Odia, physics, political science, Sanskrit, and geology shall not be mandatorily eligibility criteria for the post of PGT. And examination fee is only 400 rupees for candidate belonging to ST, SC, or disability. The exemption fee is relaxable, and the money is non-refundable for the other categories of people. They have to pay 400 rupees through Odisha government treasury portal, and through net banking, credit and debit cards that mentions here. And third one, that is method of selection, that is same as advertised in earlier advertisement, that is career assessment 70 mark, matriculation 10%, higher secondary 10%, bachelor 20%, and post graduation also 30%, and PD 30%. In this way, total 70 marks, and Bhava Bhas, that is 30 marks in total, 100 marks. And other conditions for the post are the candidate must be citizens of India and speak, read and write Odia, and must have Odia language. These are the criteria. And one important thing here is that only the candidates who possess the requisite qualification and fulfill the condition by the by the closing date of submissions of online application will be considered as eligible. So this is the things and important points. Online application submitted to a PSC, if found be incomplete in any respect, are liable to rejection without any entertaining any correspondence with the applications on that score. And admission to personality test interview will be provisional, and community caste certificate is mentioned by the candidate under approved box of the online applications form will be treated as final, and any misrepresentations or suppression of information by the candidate in online application will result in cancellation of his candidature. And certificate to be attached, and certificate are matriculation, PGT, B.Ed, mark sheets in the support of HSC, 10 plus 2 plus 3 graduations, everything will be given. And two recent passport size photograph, is required, caste certificate, birth required, ODI certificate, permanent disability, ex-servicemen, sports persons, all these thing is required. And the most important thing that is that closing dates, online registration or re-registration and online payment will be done in between, that is 18 December 2021 to 2nd January 2022, and submissions of online registration application can be done in the website from 18 December 2021 to 9 December 9 January 2022. And the most important thing that given here, that those candidates who apply earlier in response to advertisement number 16, that I told you that the OPSC had also advertised this PGT post for 70 standalone higher secondary schools, that those who applied in as per the earlier advertisements for the same post, the for post need not apply afresh or again. This is the information from the new advertisement, that's advertisement number 24 of 2021. So those who aspire to be PGT teachers can apply for the PGT post. Thank you.